Hi. So I want to pack my secret Valentine's gift. Yeah. So my colleagues and I came up with this idea of having a secret Valentine's. So what we did was everyone that decided to participate, like we wrote everyone's name and then we put the names in a bowl. So you just randomly choose a name, and then whoever you get, you have to buy a gift for them. Yeah, a Valentine's gift. And then yeah, we had a price range, so you have to work around the price range. Yeah. And now I want to pick the gift. I got a girl, and I know she loves church, she loves coffee. So yeah, I tried working around that. Hopefully she would love my gift. Yeah. And I'll show you what I also got. I hope I got something thoughtful, Yeah. Yeah, hey. So this is what we have. Okay, let's start with this. This is what we have. Like, it's just a journal. Yeah. And it's written, you are chosen and you are loved. Yeah. And it was on sale. Normal price is 150, but it was on sale I got it for 100 rand. Yeah. See, I love this. Like a vest. And then, I love this so much. And then we got this. It's a mug, engraved also with a cute verse. Let me show you. How cute is this mug, guys? How cute. I think I'm gonna get myself one too. So it's written, choose joy, John 15 verse 11. I'm gonna get this for myself also. It's so cute. And then I also got her like a card. Yeah, outside it's written, be still and know that I am God. Yeah, Psalm 46 verse 10. And then inside I asked that they write that there is great joy in abiding in Christ. So I'm also gonna like add other things. Yeah, I'll just write like a few other things. Yeah, so that's the gift. Guys, I so love this mug. Oh my goodness, I love this. Woo! I'm gonna get it for myself. Looks so cute. So yeah. And I love like how the color is just complementing everything. You would swear my favorite color is yellow, or her favorite color is yellow. Trust me, I don't know what her favorite color is. The color scheme. Give me a 10 out of 10. Give me a 10 out of 10. Guys. Yeah. That is it. Hopefully she would love my gift. I hope so. Yeah. Hi guys. So here are my colleagues. Some of them looking all good. All good. Aww. And this is me.
Oh, for the YouTube.
Yeah.
Cape International Airport.
That picture for some days.
Yes.
Guys, this is the organizer.
Yeah.
How pretty!
Yeah, man.
How pretty!
el tiempo tienes un efecto sobre mí. I don't know, I can't control it. Rótalo y enciende los motores. All night long, music, turn it up. Qué calor. I'm in the zone, in the zone. Get lost with me. Vamos a una isla este fin. Ahorita y coco for heat. Sin igual, tú y yo flotando en el mar. Listos para despegar. Me puedo imaginar el cielo iluminado. Noches a tu lado, no te has preguntado cómo sería. Pienso en ti noche y día, prendido en candela, un feeling que quema y quema. You know.
I came to say bye, guys. Woo! Lilo lampulaya siyam. As promised, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my gift. Yeah, I already unboxed. No. Yes, I already unboxed. I saw like bits of the gift because I'm a curious person, guys. I'm a curious person. I couldn't go the whole day without opening it. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy about it. I'm happy, I'm happy, guys. So Sinamile, yeah, my colleague Sinamile, like she studied me so well, and the gift is thoughtful, guys. It's so thoughtful, and I'm so happy. Sinamile, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love the gift. I love it. She studied me so well. So I'll show you guys the gift right now. So first we have a mirror. Yeah, I don't want to show myself. I'm using my flashlight. So we have a mirror. So gorgeous. It's so gorgeous, and I think you can adjust it here. Oh, what a beauty, guys. This is so gorgeous. Yeah. And then we have Oreos. I love Oreos. We have chocolate. Aww. Antimo. Guys. And then we have some bobby pins. Guys, Sinamile outdid herself here. And then we have scrunchies and the hair clip. Oh, I wanted this hair clip for so long. And this scrunchies, no, love it. And then, I don't even have an Afro comb, guys. So it's like Sinamile read my mind. I love this. And then we have a satin bonnet, guys. Look at the packaging. It's giving classy. My goodness, I love this. Oh, I'm so happy with my gift, guys. I'm really happy. Oh. So you guys saw my gift, and as I've said, I love it. I really love it. Like, it's like Sinamile knows that I love her. I love my hair. So yeah, I guess I'm that obvious, or I'm not. Maybe she just did a lot of research. But I really love the gift. Hey, I love it. Yeah. Without me rambling, nay, guys. I hope. Okay, so my phone cut while I was speaking. Yeah, I wanted to say bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this gift unboxing. What am I saying? I hope you enjoyed this gift unboxing and the whole vlog. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.